I doubt you'd ever find this note because you were too scared to ever make it to this part of town, feller. But if for some reason you did, I want you to know I hated your guts. I also loved you. I grew
We're back. Antonio, get out of here. Antonio will be right back. He's gonna enjoy his nicotine. Don't do that, guys. That nicotine. You know, the other night when my friend was over, I was
Are you breaking apart the nutty buddy?
yeah.
You're a fucking weirdo. What the hell was that? Anyways, I'm disturbed.
I eat it like a psycho, right? You know who taught me that, actually? Antonio.
You're both fucking crazy, man.
Oh! When my friend was over the other day, I was hitting her vape, and it had 5% nicotine. I don't know if that's a lot. Yeah, I don't know if that's a lot or a little bit. But I was hitting it, and I guess I hit it a little too much, because I remember at one point I was sitting there, and I was like, for some reason I'm just feeling really anxious. Like, I don't know.
Oh my god.
Right? I think the nicotine made me like...
Made you anxious? You're feeling like the nicotine high?
Mm-hmm. That's what it was.
This guy needs to cut it out.
Don't smoke nicotine, guys.
Highly addictive shit.
It's not good.
There's better shit to smoke.
Like weed.
Yeah.
Or crack.
I mean... Hang on.
We're gonna backpedal on that one real quick. You gotta hit his lumps.
I'm trying to destroy his face armor, but it's the lumps.
I think so. His lumps. His lumps.
His lovely lady lumps.
Yeah. Exactly, bro. You gotta hit his lovely lady lumps.
I'm gonna die laughing.
Why the fuck is Bill just hanging out next to me?
I have no idea. I think I popped one. I popped the lady lump.
Oh shit,
I got the other one.
Wow.
I got the lady lumps, dude.
His lovely lady lumps.
That's actually a slightly better bat than the one I have, so I'm gonna take it.
Is it?
These are both out of ammo. Yeah, that's got like -1 durability. This is like a full bat I got.
That's the one you had?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You can check the room. There's a bunch of shit in there.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
That is pretty cool.
Yeah, he was marinating in here. You could tell.
That's honestly disgusting. That's probably like the gym teacher.
Makes sense, you know. The gym teacher was always like the fat one that was telling you, run more, run faster, kids.
Remember the pacer test?
Oh my god. I remember unrelated to the pacer test, but we had like a different test in middle school in Hoover, where we would run in circles in the gym. Well, they were just like, yeah, they would just like play music for like 15 minutes or so. We would kind of just like jog in a circle around the entire gym.
Yeah, we did that in TJ.
What's happening? Right.
Oh shit.
Anyways.
Yeah, they would play music and you just run. Not even run,
Yeah.
you just jog, really. You ever
So,
remember running the mile?
My point was is that we didn't have that, and but yeah, I don't remember my point actually. I'm sorry.
The pacer test.
Yeah, it was something about the pacer test. I don't remember.
Do you
Oh
remember
yeah,
getting it,
yeah. So my gym teacher refused to give me a fucking A for gym because I didn't run the entire 15 minutes like fast enough.
Really? You like
Yeah.
jogged it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Like if I wasn't running my hardest for like at any point, it was just
Not acceptable.
yeah, not acceptable. You don't get an A.
That's corny.
Yeah, for fucking gym. Get out of my fucking face, please.
Remember those people who just didn't change for gym?
Yeah.
It's like,
that
why?
too. Oh shit. Okay, I don't think I'm supposed to go this way.
Yeah, I don't know why people didn't change for gym. It wasn't even that difficult. You just show up. You show up and you change. That's it. And you get credit.
Yeah.
People would really take an F or a fail.
For fucking gym.
Right? That's so stupid. I never understood that. I honestly liked gym. I used to have fun. Well, it depends on what we did. I used to like volleyball a lot.
Volleyball was fun.
Check out this side of the house.
Bill, somebody had the same idea. They stole my shit.
Well, then what the hell is Plan B?
You ought to be thankful you're still drawing breath. That was Plan A, B, C, all the way to fucking Z. And furthermore, tell Tess that she can take
Don't
this
you
job.
bring Tess
She
into
can
this.
shove it right
It has
up
nothing to do with
Oh, he brought Paige up.
Oof.
What, you know
Oof.
this guy or something?
Frank.
Who the hell's Frank?
He was my partner.
Ah, damn. Joe could relate.
That would wear a shirt like that.
Oh, I think we... Spoiler alert. But I think we find his note.
Here.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm. What up, Grandpa?
He didn't want to turn.
It's also cold outside.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it is. This weather's been so funky lately. It's crazy. The world is fucked.
Fuck him.
We just found Bill's,
Frank.
Yeah, Bill's boyfriend dead.
Frank.
What I found. It's got some juice in it.
Wait, Bill has a boyfriend?
He did.
Named Frank.
Fucking hell.
Bill and Frank's Epic Adventure or whatever the fuck. Remember that movie?
You find out that
Bill and
Frank.
Frank's Excellent Adventure. They meet the Grim Reaper.
Cells are alive.
Meaning?
Meaning, we push it, get it started, the alternator will recharge the battery.
Wow.
Is that your guess?
Look, you wanted a Plan B. This is as good as it gets.
Now it's just Bill and
His
Joel's
face looks
bogus
so,
journey.
like, dead tired. He's
Who,
like,
Joel?
man, no, Bill. He's like, Joel's complaining. He's like, yo, if you don't want to do this, like, I'm ready to quit whenever you are. Like,
Who's letting the kid drive?
where she just hopped in there.
Yeah.
Get the fuck out.
You even have your license.
License and registration. Oh, I'll take that.
Joel plays bad cop.
Oh yeah, let's go find this dude's note.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I'll give you a holler.
Yeah.
I'm looking for your boyfriend's suicide note.
You remember when
Oh.
Wow. Remember when one of the Paul brothers went into the Suicide Forest and like recorded the whole
Logan
thing?
Paul?
Yeah.
In his stupid little alien hat.
Yeah, the whole time it was just recording. And you see the dead dude in the back. He's like, "Oh man, this sucks."
Should we do something? We have 50 now.
What made you think about that?
The
The dead body on the floor?
Yeah, dead dude hanging out, and then
But why that body specifically? Because we've seen a lot of dead bodies.
because he was hanging, and then in the Logan Paul thing, he was hanging.
Does anybody want to be Frank?
Yeah,
Antonio, you be Frank.
okay.
Okay, hold on me.
See, look, he's eating his nutty.
Alright, then you be Frank.
Yeah,
You-
be
you
frank.
wanna
I'm,
be
I'm
Frank.
enjoying my nutty buddy.
Go ahead, Frank.
I'm not a good Frank. He's a good Frank. But anyway,
Fuck it. All right.
look, he's eating
Well,
his nutty buddy.
Bill, I doubt you'd ever find this note because you were too scared to ever make it to this part of town. But if for some reason you did,
You gotta
I
change
want you
your
to know.
voice.
Well, Bill,
Back to the top.
I doubt you'd ever find this note because you were too scared to ever make it to this part of town, feller. But if for some reason you did, I want you to know I hated your guts. I also loved you. I grew tired of this shitty town and all of your set in your ways attitude, feller. I wanted you from life. Wait, I wanted more from life than this, and you can never get that. You never loved me like I wanted you to.
I wanted a baby and you didn't.
And that stupid battery you kept moaning about instead of moaning about me, well, I got it. But I guess you were right. Trying to leave this town will kill me. Still better than spending another day with you, feller. Good luck. Your love, Frank.
Nice. All right. So that's Frank's note to Bill.
Bill and Frank's passionate love story.
Frank seems like a very passionate man.
Let's go take one look at Frank before we go.
Really want to look at him?
Mm-hmm. Like the Logan Paul video.
Really want to look at him? Oh, I gotta get nice and close before we really look at him. Dun-dun.
Wait. Take a selfie with him. Turn around. Now you have your back towards him.
That's fucked up.
No, it's not.
Portrait mode.
Yeah.
Take a Snapchat of his body.
Hold on. I could do this better. Maybe I could even be standing
Get a good thumbnail.
Can I zoom?
Yeah, hide the UI. Yeah. Yeah, that's a thumbnail, ladies and gentlemen.
Is it just click? Yeah.
Sick.
There we go. Yes, exactly.
All right, back to the let's play.
Oh, that's gonna be annoying. Let me turn it off.
Sick.
All right.
All right, Bill. We're ready to go.
We're ready.
Nothing was
Got a
in there.
selfie with your boyfriend.
Crumple up the paper and toss it at him. You're like, all right, we out.
Here's a note, by the way.
Kid's still in the driver's seat, but we won't talk about it.
Keep your foot on the clutch. And when we get to
I know how to pop a clutch.
how the hell
I played Mario Kart.
don't fuck it up. All right, Ellie, get
I give it to her. I don't know how to pop a clutch. Around little
Here we go.
They get out there and she's like, I actually don't know how to pop a clutch.
I just didn't want to admit it.
I just wanted to be involved.
Wanted to be difficult.
Good job, kid.
I just wanted to help.
Ellie, we're gonna give it another go. Stay focused.
You gotta push.
Just keep turning right.
Up, trick shot.
You gotta push.
Push these nuts.
Said Joel to Ellie.
Whoa.
Over the edge.
Law and Order. Dun dun.
And then out of nowhere, it's, what is it? CPS comes through the portal like the TVA. Joel, you need to come with
Punch
us.
Joel like Loki in slow motion.
Oh, damn. Thanks, Bill.
Oh, you lost your bat, so
Christ.
be careful with the clickers.
Yeah, I was just thinking about that too.
Jason.
All right, well, get back to pushing.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Bill got it. What the fuck, Bill?
Bill
was
lazy,
just
bro.
doing it.
Yeah, Bill lazy as fuck. He needs to push something, yo.
Welcome to Noside Gaming, where all we do is push trucks and
Kick
keep pushing.
butts.
Yeah, push trucks and kick butts.
And we're all out of butts. So we're just pushing
We're
trucks.
pushing trucks.
Oh, get the bat.
I can picture Ellie being like SpongeBob when they were trying to park the pirate ship.
You're good.
You're
You're
good.
good.
You're good. You're good. I thought you just hit Ellie on the head.
You just bonked her one time though. That's funny. God damn. Oof.
Hey.
Oof.
Hey.
Oh.
Hey.
Ooh.
Get him, Bill.
Bill and I, the science guy.
Bill.
Watch your 6.
Bill got it.
10-4.
Check him out. Got him.
Oof.
No
A
chance.
masterpiece. That was beautiful, Bill.
Bill, I think I'm falling in love.
Sorry, I'm still getting through, Frank. Not now, Joel.
Now's not the time, Joel.
There's a brick.
Yeah, go pick
I'm
that shit
thinking
up.
about getting it.
Yeah, get that shit.
I think there's another bat near the truck to your right.
You need to pick up every brick and every
that's a
bottle you see.
It's one or the other. It's brick and or bottle. Or brick or
Just threw
bottle.
that shit
yeah.
at Bill's head.
Bill, catch! Oh shit! That was your
Whoa,
last hit.
whoa.
with
That
that.
was the last hit with the bat, and then I immediately went to beat the shit out of this lady.
Dude, look at these calculated plays.
Oh my god, Bill's going in. Bill put in more work than Tess. I mean, I guess you can't send a woman to do a man's job. You know what I mean, guys?
God, wow.
I mean, hey, she died.
We love.
Look who's still kicking it, though. The men.
Men 1, Tess 0.
Alright, Ellie, start it up.
Later, bitches.
Hear that sound, Bill?
Yeah, well, that means the infected hear it too.
Crashes into the car down the hill. Boom.
Crashing into that pole. They don't even make it
Hey,
out.
please get. I can't.
You gotta push more. Oh my god. Just push. Leave him. He's dead weight. He'll just hold you back.
I can't. I can't push it by myself. I don't think. Can I?
Oh no. I think it's on actually. I think you just gotta get in it. Yeah, just jump in the truck.
On the back?
Mm-hmm.
Up in the bus.
Are we clearing the horde?
I mean, that's awful.
Well.
That's what would have happened. But thanks to the magic of editing.
We're back here.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
Can I just get in the car? I thought it wanted me to push it.
Yeah, just get in it.
Bye, Bill.
Haha. First
God,
try.
imagine if we died.
Easy. Yeah, right? Imagine. Which pedal is to go? She holds the brake down.
Can someone give me an leaf?
Un sleeve?
Uns leaves, ja.
Keep it running, alright?
You get pink.
I guess.
Yeah, I'm not really a fan of the pink no more.
She had to hold her own back.
I've been on a pink binge. But that's because I've been trying to even out. But I think I've been going overboard with the pink.
You know, Brandon, you've been inspiring me with your ASMR, so.
Giovanni, your turn.
Be amazed at how many cars still got gas in them.
Throws up.
Good luck.
There you go. My little baby one.
There's plot going on.
Get the fuck
Hey,
out of my town.
they're squares. Feels more round to me. Because he's fat.
Ellie's like, can we hurry up? I want to go to McDonald's.
I don't even know what a McDonald's is.
Yeah,
Yeah, she
poor
was,
kid.
She
Damn.
was born in the zombie apocalypse, right?
Mm-hmm. Because this is 20 years later. She's
Yeah.
only 14.
You know, for it to be 20 years in the future, Joel doesn't look that old. I mean, he looks fucking weathered, but I feel like that's from the
What happened to sleeping?
natural shit, you know?
I know it doesn't look like
I think he's like late 40s, I'd say,
Only one
because
problem.
when in the beginning he looks about like 30 something.
See, I thought he looked like in his like mid, like 20s, late 20s.
Oh really?
Yeah, like he looked young.
Is he older than Tommy?
What else?
Not sure.
Well, here. This make you all nostalgic?
Because in the beginning, he seemed to be kind of like a young, slightly inexperienced father.
A young, spry, hip man.
Yeah, dude.
And then the zombie apocalypse turned him into a dark, twisted, emo man.
I wonder what he listens to, like what he would listen to on his commute to work. Like, does he pop in like some Beastie Boys or something?
He
or
throws in
like...
Hurt by Johnny Cash.
Look what she's looking at.
For kids.
Some nudes.
Whoa!
Whoa. Nice, dude.
What's wrong with that thing?
Is this a picture of Frank?
What's so fussy about? Oh. Why are these all stuck together?
Joel, you wear thongs?
I'm just fucking with you. Bye-bye, dude.
It's actually all pictures of him.
I think that was like a gay mag,
It was.
right?
Yes.
It was, right?
You
Yes.
know what?
Wait, so is Bill like
Holy
actually
shit.
gay?
Yes.
Wow.
Wow.
What you try to get?
A rainbow just popped over my head. The more you know. See, this is why we need Giovanni here, because
Ah,
he
he's
pays
gay.
attention to the plot.
Yeah, I would have never knew that.
Yeah.
I thought he was.
That's why Bill called him his partner.
Ah.
I mean,
I thought it meant like, you know, like my survival partner. Like,
No, it's your friend.
yeah, I guess so. Yeah, right? Why not just say that's my friend?
Woody called everybody partner in Toy Story.
All right,
Yeah,
Sheriff.
fair enough.
Whatever, Sheriff.
Yeah, you know, you got a friend in me. Said Frank to Bill.
Oh yeah, then this guy. Would you stop to help him?
What about the guy?
Yeah.
Floor
My
it.
You would?
dumbass.
Floor it.
Oof. Oof. A lot went down this episode. Holy shit.
And then they die, and then the end.
Yeah.
Doom.
Last
That's
of Us.
actually a good point to end, honestly.
Yeah. Can you press pause? Word. So,
Alrighty.
we'll see what happens with these two silly gooses in the next episode.
Alright, hold on. It's silly geese.
Oh, shit.
Silly geese eye, matter of fact.
You know, that's actually incorrect too, but if you octopi, you know, octopus. Octopi is how you say more than like one.
Octopussy?
Octopussies. Because there's more
The
than
music's
one.
fading in and our voices are fading out. It's been great, guys. We'll see you next episode.
Octopi.
Octopussy.